I'm getting ready to go do some Christmas shopping. I'm gonna leave now. I'm dressed and everything. Right now it's 1:50. Here's the fit. Wait. Let's give you a full shot of my outfit today. Here's my outfit. I just have on these black joggings and my white shoes and this top. No way. And then this necklace I got for my birthday and jewelry. I always have on this. And then bringing my Hello Kitty bag. I haven't worn this in a while because I don't know how something stained my bag, but yeah. And these are the Christmas nails.
What's important is let me take the medicine. I don't know this is for lady or something. We know what time it is. That's Aaron's closet then. What the dog doing? What's that? I'm not going. I'll stay. If he puts his ears on. More specific to us. What else does he want to tell?
Hey y'all, it's Christmas and I'm going to eat my Christmas dinner, but I want to show y'all everything I got for my Christmas gifts. We opened gifts this morning. I didn't show it because I wasn't thinking, so I'm going to show y'all what I got now, and then I'm going to share my Christmas dinner. Normally we do like a dinner style dinner, but this year we didn't because it's not there. First I got this Victoria's Secret body mist, which I'm gonna put on now because it smells really good. If you know me, you can always get me perfume, body mist, a Nintendo game because I do have a Nintendo now, or some type of figurine. Then I also got this lotion, exfoliating body scrub. I got this I think 2 years ago for my birthday from my sister, and I loved it and I finished it, and I'm just happy now I have a new one to replace it. I got this for my sister, but it's this bracelet, and I'm gonna get some charms to put on it. I hope I can get some anime charms and just cute charms all around. But it comes with a heart and it has a magnetic clasp. So yeah, I'm not gonna put it on because I'm not going anywhere. And then I got a box of things from Alecia. First I got this king size sheet because I did get a new bed and I have only one sheet now, so now I have two. And then I got this pink hat. Y'all are gonna be tired of seeing this. And then I got a towel. There's flowers, which is really cute. I'm gonna put my perfume on this so it smells like me. Okay, and that's all I got. I'm gonna share my dinner. I'm hungry, and I'm gonna show you everything my mom made for dinner. I'm not gonna talk a lot because the music is loud out here, but I'm gonna show y'all everything we got. We have rice and beans. Those aren't peas. And then we have ham. I think this is pork because my mom said she made pork. So I think that's pork. We have fried chicken, sorrel, and we have coleslaw, and we have potato salad. Yeah, I know I don't look the best, but stop look for me. I know I don't look. Yes, see? Yes, see that tower? We're at the beach and we're gonna swim. We're gonna spend a beach day today. It is 1:40 in the It's Christmas Eve and we're going to watch fireworks. But before I leave, I'm going to show y'all my fit for the night. So I have a bow. It matches with my purple dress. And jewelry. Sister got me this. Have these for a while. And I did my New Year's nails. Makeup. Hair. And here's my dress. And I'm gonna bring my white bag. Let's hope tonight we have a good night. Okay, let's go. Hey y'all, it's the end of the vlog, but I want to do a little chit chat before you go. So, it's a new year. Last year, I did not have the best year. I tried to, but it was not the best year for me. Like, I had some good times and I had a lot of bad times, and I'm really confused about it because I don't know, like, why things had to be that way, but it is what it is. My year did not end how I expected it to end, everything was going really, really good, and then out of nowhere, everything went left field, and it hurts. But it's a new year, and I'm gonna try my best. I want to do 75 hard for the new year, and I haven't started, and I really want to start. I think I'm gonna start Monday. I was supposed to start January 1st, and then like did not happen, and I've been bedrotting. I've been stuck in my bed from January 1st, so 4 days, and I hate myself for that because I want to get up and I want to clear my mind. I want to be okay, but I'm not okay. I just want a new scenery. I want to go away. I don't want to be here. I regret things that has happened, like currently going through a heartbreak, and it sucks. It's painful. It's more painful than I expected. Like my chest hurts a lot, and I don't want to be one of those people who picks up like drugs to take away the pain. Like I always look at those people and I'm like, no, that's not right. But to feel the pain, I'm like, okay, I understand. Like, bro, I want to get out of this room. I want to go outside and get some fresh air and try to clear my mind. But every time, like I say, oh, I'm gonna do this, I never do, and it sucks. And like, it's the hardest thing for me. I feel like everything is all over the place when it comes to me. And this year, I want to do things differently. I want to put myself first, and I want to do the best I can. And I'm hoping y'all will keep me accountable for that. I want to do 75 hard. I want to try to make daily vlogs. The reason why I do not make daily vlogs is because I don't go anywhere, and I don't do anything like at my house that's gonna be entertaining to watch. So I don't do daily vlogs. It will be very repetitive if I did daily vlogs. But you know what? I'm gonna do it. Even if it's a 5-minute vlog, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, press record. I wake up, I did this, I did that. I am going to do it. Because why not? If you're not gonna watch it, you're not gonna watch it. If you're gonna watch it, you're gonna watch it. And then that's just it. Talking right now, it's making my mind free. Like my chest is not hurting right now. And I just know as I finish and I'm going back to editing, it's gonna be the same again. The music doesn't do anything anymore, and I don't want to be in this headspace. Like, it's the worst feeling ever, and I'm trying to get out of it, but yeah, it's really hard. I think this is the first time I'm being vulnerable on camera, because I'm one of those people who are like, please, I understand, but how do you do it? But I think sometimes people just want to let things out and be okay. So I want to lose weight this year. I want to put myself first, and I also want to reach 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube I want to try to post frequently. I want to improve my editing, and I'm trying to get a job right now. I've sent out applications and stuff, so I'm just waiting for that to do its thing. I feel like if I get a job, there still wouldn't be anything to video because I'll be working and I'll probably be tired a lot. So, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everybody made their lists for the year of things you want to do, things you want to change. And I wish everybody a new year. I wish everybody years goes good. I wish everybody dreams comes through and that we all make the best of 2025. 2024 finished so quickly, and what have we done with the year? So yeah, that's me. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my 2025. Bye guys.